What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm your girl Katrina, and I'm back again with another IColor 250 label sticker video. So I already unboxed this, I already demoed it, set it all up in a previous video. I'll have that link down below in the description box. But I made regular stickers the first time. I showed you the software, I did all of that. But did you guys know that this all-in-one label sticker maker can print and cut full color, but it can also do water resistant stickers? Oh yes, you heard it. So not only can it print regular stickers and labels, but you can add a laminate sheet on top. You do have to purchase it separately, and you can make water resistant stickers. So I'm gonna take you through the whole video step by step, show you how easy it is to do. And if you're interested in this machine from Uninet, all links will be down below in the description box. Now keep in mind, this is not a cheap machine. It starts at right around under $3,000, but it's an investment for your business, and it's all in one. Full color, you can print and cut it. I don't really know if there's any other machine of this size that can do that. And of course it uses inkjet ink. So I'm gonna show you everything that you need to know. Don't fall off just because I gave you guys the price, because maybe it'll be a future investment, or maybe you might want to order some stickers from me. All of that is going to be coming on my website. That's going to be coming out soon. But just in case, if you want to learn more about the IColor 250 from Uninet, stay tuned for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bells. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. Let's go ahead and make some water resistant stickers. So here's the IColor 250 all-in-one inkjet label printer and cutter. All-in-one full color label and sticker printer. So I have a full unboxing. I'll have that video linked down below. I tell you how to set it up, and I tell you how to put the paper in the rear. Now over here on the side I have the laminate sheets. You have to purchase this separately, because if you want to do water resistant stickers, you will need to have the laminate sheet. So I have this roll, and I have like a little bootleg little thing in here because I can't find the piece that goes on here. This is like my Munbin label printer, but never mind all of that. So I did regular stickers in the last video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the die cut ink, so that way I can use this one to get vibrant colors, and I can get water resistant stickers. Alright, so we're gonna put this one in, and I already have my dongle, my software opened up in place. I'll show you the software in desktop mode, but it's so easy. So here is the ink cartridge. Just gonna open this up. Comes packaged really well. It's sealed tight, and since I can't pull that, I'm just gonna slice it. Inside I have the pigment cartridge. This one is the die cartridge. Okay, so you just want to be really careful. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. You want to pull off the tab before you put it in. Okay, I'm gonna lift up the tab right here, and I'm just going to take out this cartridge, and I'm going to insert this one. So you just want to put it in just like that, and then push it down on a slight angle. There you go. And then make sure it clicks in place. So my paper came out in the rear, so I'm just going to feed it back through. I'm going to go ahead and cut that back on. And now I'm going to feed the paper back through, and it should automatically catch. It automatically catches. So it came out in the rear, and all I did was just feed it right back in. Hopefully you guys can see that. Paper's right there. I got my blue solid light. If the light is blinking, then you know something is wrong. So you should have a solid blue light. Now I can close this, and we're going to import an image, and then we're going to print some water resistant stickers for the first time. Alright, so I'm going to go to my print hub, and Uninet IColor print hub. I believe I had already set mine, so I'm just going to make sure that everything is still set. I'm going to go to printer settings. I'm going to click on advanced settings, and like I said, I think I did it already, but I'm just showing you how easy it is. And as you see, I already have my lamination mode checked, so I'm going to click OK. And while we're still in the print hub, you want to go under the cutter settings. I already increased my cut pressure to 25. You want to make sure that you're able to account for the extra pressure that it needs to cut through, because now you're going to be adding on the laminate sheet. So you want to increase it to 25, maybe more if you have an older blade, but mine is brand new, so hopefully 25 will be good. So I'm going to close this out because everything is done. All right, so I'm opening up the IColor custom software. You can start a new project, you can open a project, or you can do recovered projects. So I'm just going to go ahead, start a new project. Now I'm going to title my image, and I'm just going to put it in as logo sticker. I'm going to put it in as my initials, Code Graceful Creations logo sticker, because I'm going to be using these on the regular every time I send out something. So you can click the drop down right here for the measurements. I'm going to keep it at 4.25 by 4 because I don't want it that big. And then you can select whether you want it in portrait or landscape mode. Let's see how it looks in portrait mode. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and import my image. Let's find it. I'm going to bring it in. I should have made my image small, so my image is rather large, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it down, resize it. Okay, so there we have my image, nice and centered. But if you don't want to do it manually, you can come over here to the box and you can align however you want. You can use these to align it, so that's good. You can even rotate it if you want. You can even flip it vertically or horizontal, but I'm gonna make sure that it's straight. And now, before you can do anything, you want to come up here to your trace box up at the top. I'm going to open that, and you're going to make sure that you have show nodes checked, because this is what's going to cut. All of these little dots, all of these nodes are what's going to be your cut lines. I'm going to click update preview, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. Now you have all the cut lines showing in red. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on path, and I'm going to click on offset path. So now this is where your sticker is going to cut out. You need an outline so that way the sticker can cut around the entire image. Let me just move this box over so you can see it. Now that's kind of a really big offset, so let's bring it in just a little bit. But as you can see, those lines starting to form the cut, I don't want that. So my offset is going to have to be a little bit large. All right, so I'm going to leave it just like that, and I'm going to click OK. And now the red line is where my image is going to cut. So now let's go ahead and let's send it to cut. So I'm going to click File, I'm going to click Print, and I want to make sure that I have Print and Cut selected. Now that I do, I'm going to select how many images I want. So I'm just going to click 2. We're going to print out 2, and I'm going to click OK. So now it's going to send the design to the printer. Look how fast that printed out. So I'm going to take the lamination sheet right here. They're already like pre-cut. I can feel like lines in them. So I'm just going to pull that off, and I'm going to cover the image. It's a nice, clear, transparent film, and it's really sticky. So I just want to make sure I put that over the image nice and even. I hope I got it. It's kind of hard to get off, so I covered the whole image, but I left a little bit more room on that side. So now I'm going to click feed. It's going to go back in, and now it's going to cut around the image with the lamination sheet. And this is why you needed to update the actual printer. So now it's doing the second one. Let's see if I can get it on better. I'm going to remove this. Let's do it from, it's kind of hard to put it on right here because you can't take it out yet because you have to put it back in. So I'm just trying to make sure I have it covered evenly around the design. And now I'm going to place it on just like that. And this is why you wanted to up the pressure on the cut settings, so that way it can cut around the laminate film. Let me bring you guys in, so hopefully my ring light is not messing up. So now that you can see that the lamination film is on top of the design. All right. Now I'm gonna hit the feed button again. And now it cuts it off. It cuts it off. Now check out that sticker. And as you can see, some of the lamination film is left behind. So this is perfectly covered with the lamination. Let's put this on something and let's test it because we want to make sure that it's water resistant, correct? Be right back. Alright, so this was an image I did with a white toner. Of course, that's on there. That's permanent. That's not going anywhere. But let's flip this around. This is like one of these little can things. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and let's put this on here. This is a sealed sticker with lamination on it. Feels nice and smooth. It's shiny. Let's run this under some water to give it a real test. Alright, I'm downstairs. I'm going to cut on the water in my sink. Make sure it's not too hot. Here goes everything. Make sure it's not too hot. Alright, so I'm running this under. And the water is just like falling off. The water is splashing all over me. Give me a second. I got to take down this pressure because it's too high. Got water splashing everywhere. But can you guys see that? Like nothing is coming off so far. So when you use this and when you send it out, oh, wait a minute. It says water resistant. I guess not like completely waterproof, but I'm just trying to make sure that seal is not coming off. I think a little bit of the laminate didn't cover that side, so it has to cover your whole image. The laminate sheet is a little bit smaller than the actual sticker paper or label paper, so that's the only thing. But this part, everything is good. Let me cut this water off because you know I pay for water around here and make sure you guys can hear me. But as you can see, everything that's covered with the laminate sheet is completely dry. So you can use this and send it out and you won't have to worry about your labels getting messed up when you put it on your packages, boxes, or anything like that. So I like it. I like it. So just this part right here, but I can feel the line. I thought it covered the whole thing, but it didn't. So just that piece of the laminate paper didn't cover the image or cover my offset. But y'all let me know what you guys think. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. All right, let's go ahead and do one more. I'm gonna pull in another image really quick. If you hear my son singing in the background, he's in the shower. All right, so I'm just gonna minimize this one just a little bit. I'm gonna drag it in position. And now that I know that the laminate sheet is not that big, I'm gonna make sure that I don't do it too big. All right, so there we go. I have the image sized the way I wanted. I'm gonna go ahead, click trace. We got all the nodes around it. And if you wanna take it up just so you can see, all right, I'm gonna update preview. I'm gonna click OK. Now I have all the red lines around the whole entire image. I'm gonna go ahead, click on path. This is so easy and simple to do. I'm gonna click on offset path. And now let me move this over so you guys can see it. So I'm going to bring it in. All right, so when you see those lines start to form on the inside, that's when you just want to bring it up, unless you want to cut around it. So that looks good. I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print and cut out this image. And I'm going to do 2 again as well. So as you see, already came out. Let me move this one out the way. Let's take another laminate sheet. This is so easy and simple, once you get the hang of it, of course. And I'm just gonna cover the entire image, making sure I get it even on all sides, because that offset is really important because you want it to be covered. Okay, that covered the entire image really well. So now I'm going to hit feed back inside. Okay, that's the first one. Let me get another laminate sheet. I guess I can tear this off once I use it. All right. Bring you guys in so you can really see. And this is the laminate sheet. I'm gonna cover it. It's really sticky. So like once you put it down, you gotta commit because it ain't really coming back up. It ain't really coming back up, otherwise it's going to tear. So, guys, that's the only thing I'm noticing. Like, this is not easy to pick back up. So I got a little gap in here. So this one messed up. All right, practice makes perfect. All right, yeah, so I jacked that one up. So I'm just going to feed it back in. So you gotta make sure that you have it down, in place, smooth, and where you want it. One part of it touched, and of course it messed everything up. Yeah. Aww, I messed up the bottom one. Can you guys see that? It's like all crumply. Let's see how that one cut out. Okay. Still cut it out, but the laminate sheet is crinkled. Definitely don't want that. Laminate sheet is crinkled. So I would never send that out. Let's put this on a Dollar Tree mug. So I know you guys want to see the peel. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. And oh, I have something on this. This is another white toner image on a Dollar Tree mug. This is not a sublimation mug. That's why I was gonna put this on here. But let me go find something else to put this on. Okay, so I found one more red one, and I'm gonna make sure I have it centered. Make sure I have it centered. And now I have my own Moving Grace mug. My own Moving Grace mug. All right. Look at that. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Okay, let's go give it the water test one final time. All right, we're back at the sink and we're putting this under some water. So of course you guys can wash it. You know, I'm not sure if the sticker would come up. I don't think it's waterproof. It says water resistant. So it will hold up for, I guess, some time. But I'm going to be giving you guys some more updates because, again, this is my first time doing the water resistant. So I know you're probably going to have a lot of questions in the comments. But until I have had it for a while, then that's pretty much all I can show you right now. But so far, everything looks good. Everything looks good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Water resistant stickers. How about that? So let me know what you think about this awesome IColor 250. I'm in love. This is the printer that you never knew you needed until you had it in your life. So what was I doing all this time without it? I was printing and cutting stickers with like my Cricut or my Juliet. No more. That's a thing of the past. I'm using my IColor 250. So again, if you're interested in this beautiful desktop label printer maker, all links are down below in the description box. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.